Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add creative presets on Adobe Lightroom. Now, let's get started. First, open your Adobe Lightroom apps, and after this, in here you just click on the preset at the bottom. And now you just click on the yours. And after this, in here you can swipe down until you can see a creative. You just click on it. And after this, in here you can see many creative presets that you can use. I wanna try to add a creative soft mist. So you just click on it. And in here you can click on this icon for adjust the preset. You can swipe left or right this icon for adjust the preset like this. Okay. And after this, in here you just click on the check icon at the top and finish. So that's how to add creative presets on Adobe Lightroom. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.